See you guys, my name is Arun Kumar, you're watching me. I hope you all are doing well. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So this video is about to going to the routine of 23rd July 2024 of the day 230. Okay. So basically if you are new on my YouTube channel, so I just only wanted to tell you why I upload my videos on YouTube and what's the purpose of uploading my videos in English language. So if I give you only the one line crux answer, so that means the overall reason and the conclusion is just to improve English speaking skills. And if I tell you in the wider terms, I upload my videos on YouTube to just save my phone's storage, because if I shoot 100 videos, then my phone storage get totally full. So this is the reason why I upload my videos on YouTube. And one thing is also I get to get from by doing this, that is, if I upload my videos on YouTube, so that will be saved, my videos will be saved for a long period of time, and that will be very memorable for me. So yeah, this is all about. So without having further delay, let's start. 23rd July 2024, day 2:30. So basically I woke up at very usual time. As I woke up maybe around, and after waking up, basically, you know what I had done. Maybe I went to the bathroom. I don't know exactly about it. Firstly, I I washed my mouth. After that, I had taken the bath. Okay. After that, maybe I wore the proper clothes, and after that, I had taken the bath, and after that, maybe I ate the food. So basically, this is the all the kinds of thing which was actually happened. I do not, and I don't remember what's actually happened on the on 23rd July 2024. And after that, I know that I studied. Okay, I studied. I came to the first floor and I studied. And throughout the whole day, I didn't done too much thing. First, if I tell you seriously, I didn't done too much thing throughout the whole day. Okay, so basically, this is the thing which was actually happened. And basically, I went for the sleep at the time of evening. I don't know why do I do this, but it's actually happened. I don't want to do this, but it happens. It's normal for me. Why I went for the sleep at the time of evening. Okay, so I really have to improve it, because this is not a good thing to sleep at the time of evening. Okay, so yeah. And after waking up, I spent my time with my family. Okay, after that, I had done my dinner. So basically, this is the thing which was actually happened. And after that, I went to the first floor, and you know uh, and I went to the first floor, and I went for the sleep very soon. So basically, this is the thing which was actually happened. Okay, so yeah, let's start today's learning 5 words daily vocabulary, learning 5 or 10 words. But today I want to learn 5 words. Okay, so yeah. So our first word is perseverance. Perseverance. So perseverance means, guys, dhrindata. I think that you are very perseverance nature person. That's why I like you. Otherwise, there is no reason I like you. But I am speaking. Okay. Guys, if I tell you from the I daily takes an example of the vocabulary from where I started learning the vocabulary of daily 5 to 10 words. I daily take an example, and please don't take my examples of vocabulary seriously. I'm telling it to you now. So it is just an example. Don't take it seriously. The thing which came in my mind. That's why I only told you with the help of my mouth, and that was all. Most of the examples, very fictional, and that is not related to the our existence environment. Okay, so yeah, our second word is procrastinating. Now, one thing is about procrastination. Procrastination, टाल मटोल करना, in Hindi term, like thinking from here there, टाल मटोल करना. How to get away from procrastination? Procrastination. How to get how to release from the procrastination? procrastinating. Don't do any kind of procrastinating. Do what I'm telling to you. Okay. So yeah, our third word is annoying. परेशान करना. Annoying means guys परेशान करना. If someone disturb you, for an example, I'm taking an example of example. Okay, let's take it. A person doing their job and he's doing something in a laptop for their official work, and someone came and tried to interrupt him. So that scene we call that the person who came that's annoying him. That means परेशान करना. So that person can told that why are you annoying me continuously? Let me do first this word. After that I will really help you. And after that the person who is annoying me realized that he was playing the game. So yeah, that's the thing which was actually happened. So it's just an example. Don't take it seriously. Our fourth word is undoubtedly. Undoubtedly. Okay. Undoubtedly मतलब, sorry guys, why I'm using मतलब, it's a Hindi word I can't use. Undoubtedly means guys निश्चित रूप से. I know that undoubtedly you have done this work. Undoubtedly, yes, undoubtedly I've already done this. There is no doubt between here. And I can tell this. I can tell you. Okay. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last word is criticize. Now guys, what is criticize? I think that this word is also I discussed, but let's discuss once again. Criticize means guys आलोचना करना. Don't criticize it. Just do what written here. Okay? Don't criticize it. So guys, I think it's enough for today. We have learned 5 words of vocabulary. Okay, so let's revise again. Okay, perseverance, दृढ़ता, procrastination, टाल मटोल करना, undoubtedly निश्चित रूप से, criticize आलोचना करना, annoying परेशान करना. From Hindi to English, आलोचना करना, criticize निश्चित रूप से, undoubtedly परेशान करना, annoying, टाल मटोल करना, procrastinating, दृढ़ता, perseverance. So yeah, so basically this is the only thing which was actually happened today. And but you already, maybe you know that, but let me tell you that my average videos period length minimum 10 minutes, maximum 10. And means till the my video end. There is a minimum 10 minutes length of my video, maximum and more than going to be hours of hours. Okay, so basically maximum means guys 1000 hours plus, and don't know where this will land. Okay, so basically this is the thing which is I wanted to tell you. And I don't know why today I'm speaking very slowly as comparatively to from my previous videos. So yeah, I have to speak at a good manner. Okay, so yeah, this is the all the things which was actually happened, guys. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. And one thing I just only wanted to tell you, that if you found any kind of mistakes when I speak English, and you have found any kind of grammatical mistakes when I spoke in front of the video, so you can tell me in the comment section. You can tell me the wrong sentence and as well as the right sentence, so that I can improve English speaking skills. And I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. So basically this is a thing where I can speak English fluently and continuously I'm increasing my day from day 1, day 2 to we are about to reach after few days day 250. Okay, so basically, yeah guys, this is the only things which was actually happened. So for today, let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.